off her face. You want to give him some more? Oh, Jesse. Oh, you just stepped in it. Look.
Oh,
you stepped in it again. Alright. One more time so we can put it on film. Ready? Jesse? Boogie?
Hey, Stink. Hey, Stinky.
Peter Pan. Choosy dogs choose Peter Pan.
Is that right? Is that a commercial?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have peanut butter on your nose, Boogie.
What you doing, Stinky? Hey, Stinky.
You know what would be funny? Put some sort of halo around Jesse's head. Kind of like people dangle carrots in front of a horse to make it walk. And we could like dangle bacon
God.
or something.
That would be mean. Right, Jesse? Are you still licking, Stinky? You're still licking. I think he has to lick now, so he's just using his tongue to multitask.
Alright, was that peanut butter good, guys?
They're good?
Was it good?
Yeah, fork over the jar. You done licking? Almost. You're still going. Alright, bye.